let's see what type of exams still we didn't finish. Fill in the blank, how to spot, we did it. Okay, file response, essay, short answer, numeric answer, multiple choice, either or. Let's just see either or. File compression makes the size of files larger. Okay. Control C. Let's see the type of either or. Okay, create question either or. This is the question text now. Keep formatting. And file compression makes the size of files larger. Answer orientation vertical. Then the answer is yes or no. We have agree or disagree, right or wrong, true or false. I prefer yes or no, maybe. I will leave it as. And the correct answer is yes or no. File compression makes the size file larger. No. The correct answer is no. And we finish now. Yes. Okay. And I will click on submit. This is the type of question either or. Then you have yes or no, agree or disagree. This is your question answers. And we have true or false. I think so. Yeah, we have true or false. Okay, this question is true or false. The RAM is non-volatile storage. The RAM create true or false. I think it will be at the end here. True or false. True or false question. Okay. Keep formatting. Okay. The RAM is non-volatile storage. True or false. And the orientation, answer true or false. False. The true answer is false, the correct answer. And feedback, no feedbacks. Okay. Submit and create another true and false. Let's take the question text. Scanner is an output device. And the answers are true or false. The question is, scanner an output device? No, it's not an output. Then false. And click on submit. We finish. Okay. Now we have 15 questions. I think we have covered all the type of questions. Yes. I have covered all. Yes. Either or, multiple choice, multiple answer, and numeric answer, short answer, essay, file response, calculated formula. Yes, we've done. Fill in the blank, fill in the blanks, how to spot. Okay. I have done mainly approximately all the type of questions. Now I have to move on. Now you have to deploy. We created the test, we built the test, but it's not available for students till now. Now, to make it available for students, you have to deploy the test in a content area. Then this is the deployment of test, deploy test. Then you will go to a content area where you wish to deploy the test. You can use the default content area that we have created for you, named tests. And move the mouse cursor over assessment menu to open the menu. In the assessment menu, click on test. And in the box labeled add existing test, select the test you would like to deploy, then click submit button. Deploy test. On the test options page, you will have another chance to name your test and give it a description. You can leave open test in new window as its default value of no. Be sure that make the link available is set to yes. Also note that this option can override the availability dates for the test. And add a new announcement for this test. Choose yes. And you can check the box for multiple attempts if you would like to give the student more than one attempt to take this test. You can choose to allow a set number of attempts, or you can allow an unlimited attempt. I don't think so for an official test it is allowed for multiple attempts. I think it's only one attempt. And check the box for forced completion will disallow the saving of a test attempt. This prevents the student from taking part of the test, leaving for some time and coming back to finish the test. I don't prefer to check this box since maybe the student will have some problem during the exam, frozen computer, computer restarted, then I prefer not to check this box, this checkbox, and you have to leave it. Yeah. And you have to set the timer. Checkbox, set a timer for the test. Make sure that you choose on for auto submit. And once you check the box, you then choose the number of hours and limits to which you could like to limit your test. Set the availability date, display after and display until. You will put this range of time, range of dates, and check the box now and type in your password if you'd like to set a password for your test. Yeah, maybe it's better to give a password for your test. And if you'd like to set a due date, then check the box and click the calendar icon to choose a date and click the clock icon to choose a time at which the test will be due. Really, for the exams, I don't prefer to assign a due date. It's better for an assignment, not for an exam. And unless you plan to make a practice exam, leave a self-assessment option at their default value. If you do plan to make a practice exam, you may wish to check the hide result for this test completely from the instructor and the grade center option, which automatically uncheck the include this test in grade center score calculation option. Choose which type of feedback you would like to show your student at the end of the test by checking the appropriate boxes in the test feedback section. And for presentation mode, you can choose to show all of the test question one at a time on one web page with all at once option. And the one at a time option only shows one question at a time, giving links to go to next or previous question, which I prefer really. And if you choose the one at a time presentation mode, then you can additionally check the box prohibit backtracking, which will stop students from going back to previously submitted question. Then you will oblige your student to answer his question, and he will not be able to come back to this question if you go for this option. And check randomized question is essential to randomize question. Yeah, you have to randomize your questions. The order of your questions in the test. This means that the student will see the same set of questions but not in the same order. Then click submit button to submit your tests. Okay.